Hey man, so sorry to bother you, man. I'm just having car problem and I can't get some sleep, man. I'm losing some sleep. I don't know why. Maybe you feel the same as I do because when I have a car problem, I lose sleep like my family member is sick or I have a fight with my wife. I better get right. Just like that. That kind of feeling. I can't get good sleep. I'm thinking about my vehicle. I got Chevy Traverse and it's going like down south. It don't sound good. It give me a hard time to start. I change all kind of sensor, crankshaft sensor and all that stuff. I feel like it's timing chain. I'll keep you posted. Subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with my new video. Thank you.